Look at what we got here, Tyler. We got an entire ultimate garage filled with Disney cars. Let's see if Lightning McQueen could go down this ramp. Oh, I think he's too big for it.
Yeah.
Oh, he fell off.
Only the hat.
Where did he land? Only the Hot Wheels fit on there? Oh! Oh, he got the car! Let's watch Robo here. Here he comes. Oh, he stopped for some reason. Oh! I really like your ultimate garage. Look what happens when you push this button. Oh, let's see. You got a workshop here?
A fire station.
Where's the fire station at?
Right here.
How do you make that go off? Oh. There's a car blocking the fire truck. Ding, ding. I like the gas station too. Time to fill up for some gas.
The gas station.
You like the gas station? Fill them up with gas. I thought there was a helicopter. It fell off. Well, let's put it back on. See if it works. Still works. Where's the helicopter at? Isn't this, you could have races on here too, can't you? It says who wins down here at the bottom. So who do you race up here? Just two random cars? Let's race these two cars. Here's one. And this car here. Let's see who wins. Whoa! Who won? Blue one. It says right here, blue one. Here we go. Blue one, the guy in that lane. Whoa! It looks like he raced Thomas the Train here. He raced Alfie. He went down that ramp. Okay, reset. Okay, see who wins. Oh, who won? Red one. Okay, watch out, Swoops. Whoa! That guy, Superman, didn't make it. Look at it. He fell. Here comes some more cars. Let's see him up here. Let's see who we got up there. Whoa! Superman, you blocked the lane. Gosh. Who won? Alright, well, let's say goodbye to the show here, Tyler. Ultimate Garage. We'll have more adventures with this one, won't we? Alrighty. Alright, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.